Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating the nearest Tera Raid dens and quickly checking their star rating and Tera color. Once you interact, a raid spawn appears. Note the species and Tera type so you can decide if it's worth pursuing. If it's not the target, don't battle yet. Instead, move straight to the refresh actions. Save your game and step away from the den, or launch the picnic to begin the simple reset sequence that forces dens to reconsider their spawn. Once done leaving the den area, you're using the soft refresh. Fast travel or ride far enough that the game unloads that zone, then return to see if the den changed. Make sure to open a picnic and wait a short while before saving and reloading. That timing nudges the game to respawn new raids. If you need a complete wipe, close the game and restart the console, which forces a fuller reset. Keep in mind online raid sessions can replace local spawns, so disconnect if you want consistent local results. When the raid you want finally appears, save immediately to lock that state and then start the battle or invite friends. If dens refuse to refresh after several tries, restart the game and try a different map area or toggle your online connection to rule out server-side locks. Make sure you're not using system clock tricks. They can cause instability. One useful troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, fully power cycle your console, reload the save, and repeat the picnic and reload soft reset workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.